Welcome to our channel where we simplify finance for everyone. Starting to invest can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded, right? So many options, so many opinions, where do you even begin? Well, that's exactly why I'm here. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 investment strategies perfect for beginners in 2025. Whether you're starting with a small amount or looking to put that savings account to work, these strategies are designed to help you achieve your financial goals. We're going to keep things super straightforward, cutting through all the jargon and complexity. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of investing. First up, index funds, the darling of the investment world. An index fund is like a basket of stocks that tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Think of it as owning tiny pieces of all the biggest companies in the US, all with just one investment. This allows you to instantly diversify your portfolio. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you're spreading your risk across hundreds or even thousands of stocks. This means that if one company has a bad day, it doesn't tank your entire portfolio. And here's the best part. Index funds are incredibly low cost. For beginners, index funds are a fantastic way to dip your toes into the market and start building a solid foundation for your financial future. It's all about keeping it simple, effective, and consistent. Managing your own investments can seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. That's where robo-advisors come in, your personal investing assistants in the digital age. Robo-advisors are online platforms that use algorithms to manage your investments for you. Think of it like having a financial advisor in your pocket, but without the hefty fees. You sign up, answer a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline, and the robo-advisor takes care of the rest. It automatically builds and manages a diversified portfolio tailored to your specific needs. One of the biggest advantages of robo-advisors is their low cost. Traditional financial advisors often charge a percentage of your assets under management, which can add up over time. Robo-advisors, on the other hand, typically charge a small percentage-based fee, making them a much more affordable option for beginners. Let's talk about market volatility, that roller coaster ride of ups and downs that can make even the most seasoned investor a little queasy. But fear not, because dollar cost averaging is here to save the day. This strategy is like the Zen master of investing, teaching you to find calm amidst the chaos. Instead of investing a lump sum of money all at once, dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of what the market is doing. Over time, this strategy helps to average out the cost of your investments, reducing the impact of market volatility on your portfolio. It's like a built-in shock absorber for your investments. Dollar cost averaging takes the emotion out of investing and helps you stay disciplined, ensuring that you're consistently investing over time, regardless of market conditions. It's a long-term game, and dollar cost averaging is your secret weapon. Let's talk about market volatility, that roller coaster ride of ups and downs that can make even the most seasoned investor queasy. But fear not, because dollar cost averaging is here to save the day. This strategy is like the Zen master of investing, teaching you to find calm amidst the chaos. Instead of investing a lump sum, dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Over time, this averages out your investment costs, reducing market volatility's impact. It's like a built-in shock absorber. Dollar cost averaging removes emotion and keeps you disciplined, ensuring consistent investing. It's a long-term game, and dollar cost averaging is your secret weapon. What if you could invest in companies that are not only profitable, but also making a positive impact on the world? That's the power of sustainable investing, also known as ESG investing. Align your investments with your values and make a difference with every dollar. There are countless sustainable investment options available, from mutual funds and ETFs to individual stocks. Studies show sustainable investments often perform as well as traditional ones. What issues are you passionate about? Environmental protection, social justice, gender equality? Identify your values and find investments that align with them. By investing in sustainable companies, you support a better future and reduce risks. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: cryptocurrency. the Wild West of the digital asset world. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of central banks and governments, relying on a decentralized system called blockchain to record and verify transactions. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, each with its own unique characteristics and use cases. Cryptocurrency can be highly volatile and speculative, so it's essential to understand the risks involved before investing any money. However, it also has the potential for high rewards if you're willing to do your research and invest responsibly. Before diving into the world of cryptocurrency, educate yourself on the basics. Understand how blockchain technology works, research different cryptocurrencies and their potential, and start with a small amount that you're comfortable losing. So there you have it, the top 5 investment strategies for beginners in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking for new ways to grow your wealth, these strategies provide a solid foundation for achieving your financial goals. Remember, investing doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips. And as always, consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and keep crushing it.